Hello, babe.
Oh, hey.
How are you today?
I am swell. How are you?
I am good.
Good.
We are finally back with another question of the day.
Question of the day. It's my favorite, becoming my favorite segment.
I like it. We just hope that people keep submitting these questions.
Please keep submitting questions for question of the day.
All right. So the first question is from Natasha Littlejohn.
Hello, Natasha Littlejohn. Thank you for subscribing.
Absolutely. So Natasha asked, she said, nice video.
Thank you.
I noticed that I didn't see an iron. Did the cabin come with one?
Cabins do not come with an iron.
No.
Primary reason is that it's a fire hazard. They don't want you to plug in an iron, forget it, and then set everything ablaze. So no, they don't put irons in the cabin. If you want your garments ironed or pressed, they do have a laundry room on board.
Yes.
Where you can have that done for a nominal fee.
Yes. You can also, bonus tip, they also will press and launder your clothes for you. You just got to make sure you send it to them within 24 hours of needing them. And a laundry room should be on each floor.
Correct. We have never used those services, but we know those services are available to you. I think on Carnival, with the laundry services are free with Platinum.
Yes.
So, guess one, that's if you need things ironed and you love Carnival, that's one of the reasons to keep selling Carnival to get that perk.
Yep. All right. Well, thank you, Natasha. We appreciate you sending in your question.
And thank you for Natasha for sending in the questions like she said, and I'm just repeating her for some reason. But for those who need questions answered, please send them in. Like I said, we do enjoy doing these segments.
Yes. Thank you. Have a good day, guys.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Siobhan.
And this is Brandon.
And we are...
Yeah.